So guys, we got a few items here from either from B&M or AliExpress. So the first item I'm going to start with are these candle stands. They're good, decent size. As you can see, very pretty, very pretty. I think they're like £4 each, I think. Is this organizer, makeup organizer. It's got 6 sections, quite big. I'm going to use this for my makeup brushes. Very good size. Can't wait to use this to organize my stuff. Yeah, very nice. Now these I got from AliExpress, and I got them for like I think about £5. Very cheap. They look so beautiful. They're curtain tie backs. They are absolutely gorgeous. It's like a beige kind of colour, which I love because I'm going to be using this for my living room. As you can see. Now we got these big books. As you can see, you can't open it. I'll be using these on my coffee table. I got these also from AliExpress. To come about a month or so to come. And I also got this one. This one came perfect, packed good, no dents. However, this one came a bit damaged, even though it was packed so that it wouldn't be damaged. You gotta do it on the back. No worries, nobody will see that because it will be facing this way down the table. But yeah, very beautiful books that you can get. And also you can get the ones that you can actually open, and you can like pour like store like your remote or anything that you have on your table, your coffee table inside the book. I got this cushion from AliExpress. It's so beautiful. On Amazon it was too pricey. It was like over £12 for it on Amazon. But when I got it at AliExpress, I got it for less than £10. Yeah, look at the details. Very pretty, soft. However, it was just a cushion. I got the inner filling off Amazon for like £7, really cheap. It's feathers. Very soft. So yeah, I will be using this in my living room. I've got a few more cushions to receive. I'm gonna buy as well to make up the cushions for my new sofa. So yeah, this is the cream that I love. It's very nice. Bit rough on this edge, but it's just for decoration. So we loving what we have so far.